Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Fikro Khabar. You are watching Islamic World Today. First, 300 Saudi students grounded after Florida naval attack. Move comes after 3 soldiers were killed last week by Saudi national who was student of naval flight officer at base in Florida. Iraqi activist found dead amid anti-government protest. Activists killed shortly after returning from protest camp in Baghdad. Istanbul hosts Torchlight March for Egyptian prisoners. Demonstrators draw attention to unlawful detentions and human rights violations in Egypt. Libyan and Tunisian leaders discuss bilateral relations. Kais Said and Fayez al-Siraj focus on economic issues, movement of people, goods and Rajidar crossing point. Somalia, 10 killed in upscale hotel attack. 5 hotel guests shot dead by Al-Shabaab militants who stormed a SYL hotel in capital. Cameroon, 275 killed by Boko Haram since January. Amnesty International conducts 2 weeks field research in far north region of Cameroon. Approach to Islamophobia to shape Muslim vote in UK. Muslim communities in UK describe Islamophobia as main issue to be tackled by political parties. Rohingya hearing. Nobel laureate Suu Kyi defends Myanmar. International Court of Justice is hearing case of Rohingya genocide against Myanmar filed by Gambia. Insurgents attack biggest US base in Afghanistan. Fire exchange following suicide bombing on Bagram Air Base north of capital Kabul. Pakistan's ex-president granted bail on health grounds. Asif Ali Zardari and his sister facing money laundering cases. Kashmir, blackout forces journalists to alter profession. Journalists find other means to make living after communication blackout in Jammu and Kashmir, local weekly reports. Commission on 2002 Rights exonerates Indian Premier. Bloody communal riots swept through state of Gujarat, targeting Muslim minority when Modi was Chief Minister. You can find latest and lot more on fikrokhbar.com/English.